In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the QuickBooks Online login. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, or you've simply forgotten where to go to sign in, this walkthrough will guide you from the very beginning, so you always know how to get back to your account. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type in either quickbooks.intuit.com or quickbooks.com/account. Then press Enter. Both of these addresses will take you to a page where you can access the QuickBooks Online sign-in area. Give the page a moment to load. Once the home page appears, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Sign In. This is the main entry point for all QuickBooks services, including QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and click on that Sign In button. If you see a drop-down with several QuickBooks products, choose the option for QuickBooks Online if it's listed. After you click, you'll be taken to the sign-in page. Here, you'll be asked to enter your credentials. In the field provided, type the email address, user ID, or phone number that you used when you first set up your QuickBooks account. Make sure you enter this information carefully, watching out for typos. If you prefer, you may also see an option to sign in using your Google account. If your QuickBooks account is connected to Google, you can click that option and follow the prompts instead of typing in your email and password manually. Once your email or user ID is entered, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password exactly as you created it, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you're on a private device, you can use the Show Password option, if available, to double-check what you've typed. If this is the first time you're signing in on a new device or browser, QuickBooks may ask you to verify your identity. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to the email address or phone number linked to your account. Open your email inbox or your text messages and look for a message from Intuit with that code. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder as well, since security emails can sometimes land there. When you find the code, carefully type the 6 digits into the verification field on the QuickBooks page. After the code is entered, click the Continue or Sign In button. If everything has been entered correctly, you'll be taken directly to your QuickBooks Online dashboard, where you can start managing your business finances.